Hi. In one of my sessions I took very recently, I happened to ask a question from my students. That is my regular exercise that I ask students a question before we delve into any topic, before we start learning any skill. That what are we learning today, or what are we doing today? We get great answers. Probably I get answers like, I'll be learning a new skill. This is something that I wanted to learn from day one. This was my dream skill. I get abstract answers. But when I ask why, there is usually a silence, a very awkward silence in my class or in my sessions or wherever I go. Why are we learning these skills? Trust me, everyone is learning, and when I say everyone, I mean everyone. Be it the CEO, be it the directors, be it the general managers, sales managers, or a frontline manager, everyone is learning new skills. And with the advent of AI, with how AI is influencing our daily lives, the learning is inevitable. The learning never stops. Let me try to change your perspective the next time someone asks the why of learning. What we already know. Either we are learning a life skill or we are learning a core skill. But when why is asked, there is usually one very logical answer. The answer is very simple yet very powerful. The answer of why is the solution. You take any organization, what they are doing. They are trying to solve a certain problem that exists in the society, that exists in a business ecosystem. And if they have a solution, that becomes a business. And when the next time you are trying to learn a new skill, what I will be learning today becomes a secondary part. The primary part would be, how am I going to use this skill to solve a certain problem that exists in the society? Or next time you're learning data analytics, business analytics, next time you are trying to learn how to develop an application. Think from a perspective that I am here to solve a certain problem. Think from a perspective that I am going to resolve this particular problem. I am going to get a solution for this. And then of course the secondary would be, I am learning something new today. So that might change your perspective towards learning. So you have answers to both. What becomes a skill that you are learning? Why I'm going to use that skill to solve an existing problem. This might change your perspective.